number 9, there ain't nobody but scrap out all seeing it this ground playing around with BJ. Hey, number 9, ain't nobody but scrap out around these Great Lakes. Good morning, 9, scrap out, go. Charlie Brown, I'm talking to my good friend BJ, so I'm gonna get out of his way. 9, have a good day. Go ahead, BJ. Hey,
man, stop. Well, I was gonna do some local waving, but Skip running, and I'm a mud duck station with my mud duck antenna, and but anyway, this is a customer's Browning Mark III, again, one of the last I'm doing. It's too much work and too little reward for me to mess with these. I'm old, tired. I got 200 other CB products to do. Projects to do. So, nope, not going to do any more, especially Brownings. Only reason I took this one on because the guy said all it needed to do was to receive. So, I think I already did a video. I found one of the Nuvistor tubes on the receive was hit a bad pin contact and was causing the receive to drop out on the first end. So we fixed that, and then we found a little laundry list of things that was wrong with this this radio. It's live now, so I'm going to be a little careful. The main filter capacitor, the can cap on the receiver here, the ground lugs didn't have any solder on them. We soldered one of the lugs to make sure it got a good contact on it. It had a ping cap that it had the wires going all the way across the chassis to the tube to ground it. So we put in a new, better ping cap and grounded it straight to the ground lug right next to the hot connection instead of having a wire. You see this black cap right here? See the connections going all across the chassis, and then there's the ground there. The ping cap was similar to that, even worse. So, but we weren't trying to go through totally this thing. We just wanted to get it working good and all that, which we did, we think. And over in the transmitter, the meter wasn't working for the forward and the reflected, and this wafer here for the switch selector switch, the wafer was cracked off, like cracked in half. So we don't have a switch, and that'd have been a lot of work to change it anyway, so we super glued it. I know, mud duck, right? But anyway, we got it working. Switch is working. We super glued that, changed a few caps in this. It had a mod in it for high dead key. If you see that 2 resistors there at an angle, it had 2 resistors in parallel. That brown one here is an original, and it had another one in parallel, giving it a higher dead key, and the owner wanted a lower dead key, so we took the parallel one out, left the original one in, and put a second resistor in series to lower the voltage and lower the dead key on it. And tighten up a few other things in this radio, and I guess as you can hear, you know, want something sad? Even if Skip wasn't running, I got about a 12 dB noise level right now on a ground plane. You hear that? And that's with the A&L on. I'm going to turn the A&L off. Wait till they get out of here. That's my noise level here in Detroit. It seems to keep going up and up. What I think it is once the city went with LED street lights and some of the other neighborhoods in Detroit, some of my other CB buddies are having noise level issues also now. Not as bad as mine, but as the city's going with, I think, the LED street lights, my noise level's crazy. But part of it though is I'm in the mud again. My ground plane isn't up as high as it should be. I probably need to change the coax, and I plan on addressing that maybe next year. It's cold out, ain't nothing happening this year, but that's my noise level. Fun, right? So anyway, since Skip is still running, I ain't gonna try to do no local talking. I'm gonna go to 12 here and spot it. Need a second hand to hold a spot switch, so I'm gonna put the camera down. One to hold a spot switch and one to tune the receiver. And see, same noise level across all 40. And just key it down right quick. Turn the volume up so I can get a decent ping. Of course, the owner of it wanted to make sure it ping. That's the RF meter working now with the super glue mud duck fix. And then he wanted dead keying around 1.5 watts. When I got it, it was dead keying about 6 watts. And like I say, I changed them resistors to get the dead key down. So now this is on average dead keying 1.5 audio. Talking about 3.5. That's good swing for a tube radio. A lot of times tube radios are barely swing or stand still. And it doesn't do a lot on peak. Audio. 1.5 to 7 peak. Browning's already got a clipper, a high form of compression in there. So you'll never see a whole lot of swing out of a Browning. A lot of crazy watts because of the clipper compressor in the transmitter already. Another reason Brownings don't really need a power mic either. They already got speech processing in them. So anyway, I guess that's going to be it on this video of the customer's Golden Eagle Mark III. Ready to go back. One of the last Mark III's of a customer's that I do. I got a few of my own, and after I get another tram out the way, tram doctor's gonna start working on his own. Alright, that's it for this one. Nice looking Mark III though, isn't it? Hope he takes care of it. Alright, bye.